Welcome guys, today we are checking out the Millennium Place again. So last time I was in Dubai and I checked it out, and this time we're in Qatar and this is the Qatar edition. Welcome to Doha. So Doha is beautiful. This is where I'm practically based, so I was like, let me just check out the Millennium Place in Doha if it is as good as the one in Dubai. I should say when I arrived, the lobby was beautiful, very spacious. There's like 4 types of lounges where you can chill while you wait for your transport, while you wait to check in or check out. It's quite spacious and very, very beautiful. I must say the people at the reception were really nice. I love this artwork. So it's time to check in and see the room. I wasn't wowed because last time I checked into a room in Millennium Place in Dubai, I was wowed, but this time around it was just not as breathtaking as the one in Dubai. And I was also upset that I didn't have any view because it was just like there was nothing outside. But the room was okay. Nice standard room with almost everything you need. I should say this hotel room or the whole hotel is quite old, and there's a lot of touch-ups that needs to be done on the facilities or on the things or the painting. Fixing some little things in the room is definitely needed because the hotel is older. Maybe that's why even like sometimes on the walls there's like some stains, which really takes away from the whole hotel experience. You are expecting to have like the best of the best, but that was not the case with this room. But the reception was lovely. The people were very amazing. So they have the basic things. They have the praying mat, they have the Quran, they have the safe for you to keep your money, so that when you're leaving and you have important things, you can always leave them in the safe. So practically that was it. And they also have that welcome setup for tea. The fridge is empty. I guess if you need something you have to buy it and then put it in there. They had the ironing board. They have another thing, this room was booked for 2 people, but they didn't offer the second robe. I had to ask for it, but they were very responsive. As soon as I requested, it was brought in. And yeah, but I was just like, if 2 people are coming, you should have 2 robes for 2 people. But then I guess I was not really impressed with the attention to detail. Maybe I'm comparing from the one in Dubai where everything was up to standard. Yeah, like you can see down there's like stains on the floor, which is something that is quite a turn off in a hotel. But I guess there is room for improvement or just an update or a renovation of the hotel to just fix things when they look a little bit older would definitely help. Otherwise, this is an amazing hotel. They had the tub there and the shower, and I should say whatever lotions they are using in the shower and the bath wash is amazing. This was my favorite part of the room. I just love the artwork, how big it is, and the headboard and everything. So guys, just wait for the next video as I show you the facilities. I think I was much more excited about the facilities than the room. So make sure you tune in on the next video as I showcase the facilities. There's a lot of things to check out in this hotel. They have like a swimming pool area, breakfast. Until next time guys, let's watch, subscribe, and yay, bye.